Hello viewers, this is Aravindar Annai Arul channel welcomes you. How are you? In this video we have to see Kerala journalist Siddique Kappan moves Madhura court for bail. Claims allegations in FIR are fabricated, manipulated. For more information, we shall move to inside the video. I kindly request to all the viewers to watch this small video in full. Now we shall move to inside the video. Kerala journalist Siddique Kappan, who is under detention in Uttar Pradesh for offences under the Unlawful Activities Prevention Act UAPA and sedition, has approached a Madhura court for bail. Facts stated in the FIR are fabricated and manipulated. The foundation of this FIR is a media reports as evident from the contents of the FIR itself, the PILIA said. Other highlights of the contentions made by Siddique Kappan in his bail application include: he was illegally arrested while en route to Hathras Uttar Pradesh to report on a crime Hathras rape case in the discharge of his duty as a journalist in October 2020. He has been under detention for over 7 months. The charge sheet was filed on April 2, 2021. Such a detention, despite having journalist card credentials, in a way amounts to the violation of fundamental rights of the people to know and of the media in freedom of speech and expression. There was nothing reasonably suspicious to warrant his arrest. He was also beaten on the date of his arrest on October 5th, 2020, even if there were any reasonable apprehensions on the date of arrest. The alleged offences are preventive in nature and bail is a matter of right. Neither the family nor his lawyers were informed about his arrest, violating the legal requirements and the directions of the Supreme Court in D.K. Basu's case. The subdivisional magistrate who directed his remand on October 6th and October 10th, 2020 did not have the power to order such remand under sections 167 of the Code of the Criminal Procedure. The remand itself is illegal, even if the contents of the FIR and the charge sheet are taken to be true at face value. The ingredients of the alleged offense are not made out against Kappan. Legally, there is nothing in the FIR to connect Kappan with the alleged crime. The specific allegation is that Kappan received rupees 25,000 on September 15, 2020 and rupees 20,000 on October 4th, 2020. However, in pleading and arguments before courts, the state was always trying to dramatically connect Kappan with the transactions amounting to crores of rupees. Kappan has argued that he used to get around rupees 25,000 every month for his profession. Arresting him despite possessing a press identity card amounts to preventing the media from doing its duty independently and impartially. It amounts to keeping the media under detention despite it being the breath of democracy. He is a diabetic and also suffers other medical ailments. He was chained to a cot at KM Medical College while undergoing treatment, like an animal with a plastic bottle for toilet purpose for 5 days between April 21st to 30th, 2021. This was serious human rights violation. In March 2021, Kappan volunteered to waive his fundamental rights in writing and agreed to undergo narco analysis or polygraph or like tests at the CBI headquarters in Delhi or Chandigarh as he feared threat to his life at Lucknow. This, however, resulted in the prosecution withdrawing the application for the conduct of such a test. It was argued he has good antecedents, was never accused for any offense earlier, and does not have any criminal cases pending against him. He is a permanent resident of Malappuram, Kerala. He has a wife and three school-going children. As such, there is no chance of Kappan absconding. He has also undertaken to be present before the court or the police whenever required. Other undertakings made by Kappan in his bail plea include that he will not interfere or influence any witnesses to the case or tamper with any evidence. Further, it was submitted that Kappan will not leave India without previous permission from the court. It was also submitted that Kappan's mother is aged 90 years, is bedridden and sick. His presence with his mother is essential, it was urged. In COVID times, and given that the application had contracted COVID-19 twice in the absence of a prima facie case and no probability of conviction, no one would benefit in keeping Kappan in jail. It would lead to irreparable loss for Kappan, it was added. The plea was filed through advocate Wills Matthews. Kappan, a reporter for Malayalam news portal Azhimukam and secretary of the Kerala Union of Working Journalists Delhi unit, was arrested along with three others in Uttar Pradesh in October while on his way to Hathras to report on the gang rape and murder of a 19-year-old Dalit girl. They were later booked under provisions of the Unlawful Activities Prevention Act UAPA and also slapped with charges of sedition. On April 28, the Supreme Court had ordered the Uttar Pradesh government to shift Kappan to a Delhi hospital for better medical treatment until his medical conditions improves. He was admitted to AIIMS pursuant to that order and was later taken back to UP jail. Hello viewers, you are learned from this video. Kerala journalist Siddique Kappan moves Madhura court for bail, claims allegations in FIR are fabricated and manipulated. If you are liking this video means kindly press the like button as well as share to your friends and relatives. I request to all the viewers to kindly subscribe this Aravindar and Arul channel. Thank you for watching this video in full. Once again, thank you very much.